Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Techlife Smartband TLSB01, and on this video we are going to have a demo of one of its smart features, and that is the Bluetooth music control function. So we have here this feature. So we have the Bluetooth music control function. Let's see if this feature will work with our applications here. So we have the built-in music control function, Spotify, the YouTube, and the YouTube Music. So we will have a demo. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and have the demo of the Bluetooth music control function. So let's start with our built-in music player, and of course let's open the music control function here in our Techlife Smartband. So we have the music control. Okay, so we have go backwards, go forward, play. We have the volume adjustment, and as you can see here, we do have the title of the audio or the song. So we have the deeper meaning. Let's see. Yes, it works. Stop. Play. Let's try to adjust the volume. Yes, it works. Then next. Okay, very good. Next. Adjust the volume. Stop. And it works. Nice. Next song. Over the Horizon. As you can see, our title here also changes. Go back. Okay, then next. Next. Stop. So that's it for our built-in music player, and so far it works smoothly with our Bluetooth music control function. Everything works for our Techlife Smartband when it comes to controlling the music in our built-in music player. Then next, let's have the Spotify app, but we'll mute the sound here to avoid any copyright issues. So we have here a song. Let's see with this one, and as you can see here, the title automatically changes. Very good. Okay, then stop. Next. Yes, it works. As you can see here, we have the next song. Next. Those eyes. Next. And next. Stop. Play. Next. Stop. Play. Yes, it works also with the Spotify app. Although it is a slim or small form factor Techlife Smartband, it is powerful when it comes to controlling the music on your phone. It works smoothly, no lag at all. Then let's have the YouTube action. So we'll play this one. Let's see. And we adjust the volume here. Yes. Stop. Next video. Next video. Stop. Next video. Adjust the volume. Stop. Play. Increase the volume. Go back. Go back. Stop. Go back. Increase the volume. Decrease the volume. And stop. Yes, it also works with the YouTube application. As you can see here, the title also changes. We can go back or go backwards, go forward, adjust the volume, play, and pause the video. It works smoothly with our YouTube application. Next, let's have the YouTube Music. And just like Spotify, we will mute the sound here to avoid any copyright issues. And as you can see here, the title automatically changes right away. stop, next, stop, next sound, play, next, go back, and play. Very good so far with our Techlife Smartband, and as you can see, it works smoothly with the YouTube Music application. No issues at all. Can we adjust the volume? Yes, we can adjust the volume here. Go back and play. Okay, so it works with the YouTube Music application as well as the YouTube app, Spotify, and our built-in music player. So that's it for our demo of the Bluetooth music control function of the Techlife Smartband. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.